Alright guys, welcome back to the Welcome Tours. We're here, just outside, well, it's on Faliraki Beach. Gonna walk along the beach, gonna go all the way round to the end. But they've got a little harbour. Check this out. Get it to turn around, eh? So yeah, we were just in that one. We did a video there before. It's quite a nice little bar. Can't remember the name, bit Portobello here. Quite nice. But if you noticed, look, where's the path gone? Path is completely finished this year. I just banged socks as well, so should have really changed one way. But yeah, take a look. Obviously, just like in Zante, it's been a lot of damage from the storms this season, which, you know, it's gonna take a long time for them to fix. So Sabrina's gonna go up the opposite way. She's heading up towards Tulum. But yeah, this is Faliraki Beach. If you've never been there before, feels like this gimbal's wonky for some reason. It's saying it's horizontal. I don't know what's going on today. But I need to get across this little bit here. So let's try and get across without getting my feet soaking wet. There we go. But yeah, as you can see, that this wasn't here last time. We had a walkway going all the way around, but not this season. Completely gone. Wonder if this scrap air might be going up here as well. So you've got Demetrius there. We haven't actually been to any of these ones yet. We are wanting to visit at some point some of these bars and restaurants. Good morning. That's Demetrius. Everyone really welcome. I told you before, the Greek and the Spain and the Turkish really welcome and really love to see the camera. Promotion. Spain, God knows. I don't think they like anyone over there at the moment. But yeah, so we're heading all the way around. You can see we're on a big distance over there. We're going all the way around to there. Maybe it's called Falaki port. We can get their boats to Tulum. You get a boat to Lindos. Or maybe we can get it to Rhodes town actually. Most probably you can. But yeah, check out. We've got cactus there. It's a bit more easier to walk on this part here where the sand's a bit harder. Because there's no walkway anymore. It was a walkway last year. We're going to see in Zante as well. Zante had the same problem. A lot of destruction from the storms that they've had this season. You know, I'm holding this. I can see that it's not level, and it's telling me it's level. Be 1 second, guys. I'll come back to you. Make this level. Alright. Looks like it's level now. So yeah. Right, let's keep going anyway. So we got Majuro. Again, really nice restaurants on the waterfront. Hello. So yeah, this one's called Golden Beach Beer Bar. And I walk behind these lot so I don't annoy them. Also, that water's right down. I'm wearing my socks for some reason. Like one of them plonkers wearing black shoes with my socks on there, with my Crocs. Look at these badass Crocs, eh? Badass. So, get me there. So yeah. This one, a nice one right on the beach, and they've got beds right here. So, very nice. And they've got all the food. I'll come back and if they do food prices on another video. I think Sabrina's doing one today as well. Yeah. You got some apartments here. It's quite cool, and if you could stay there, you got this right on your doorstep. Really cool. But yeah, as you see, look. The destruction of the winter, eh? Everybody's complained about this winter this year. Not one person has said so far that nothing has been destroyed in their area. Same with Marmaris, Ishmael. Everything destroyed near the beach, so they're having to re-sort out. Like a lot of the ones in Marmaris, that little beach bit outside their bars, they got to take care of it themselves. So some have taken sand from other parts of the island, I guess, and put the sand back. Look at this here. Got a big wire coming out of the floor. Like I said, hopefully by the time you lot get here in June and July, August, they put the new flooring in, boardwalk. Hopefully. If not, let me know in the comments. We might be back, but I'll let you all know. I do want to go to Santorini this year. There's a little island hop you can do, which is like Santorini. Look at this. I don't want to get my feet wet. I'm such a wearing socks and Crocs. Stupid idea, eh? Should just wore the Crocs on their own. But yeah, I want to get to Santorini. You can go to Eos. Is it Eos as well? I think there's another couple of islands in that little chain there. You think you can hop to like 4 of them and end it in Santorini. So there's a boardwalk there. I'm gonna stay down here. Oh, am I? No, I'm not. So this is what it's normally like, guys. We've got this boardwalk to walk along, which obviously makes things a lot easier. Oh, excuse me. Yeah. Let me know if you're watching this in June or July. Have they fixed the boardwalks on the beach? Have they fixed up the beach a little bit? I mean, Sabrina's next to Tulum, there's like this big lake area from before. Maybe it's worse now. You can see in her video. While going that way. So this is the one that I advertised last year, €2 beer. I think we had some food and drinks in here. So yeah. Does it still do a €2 beer, eh? Casa del Sol. There's no advertisements for it this year. Maybe they have it out in the summer. Maybe no. Nice warm day today. Don't know temperature. I didn't really check the temperature before I left. I just walked out, went on my walks. It must be about 25 degrees at the moment. Look at these ones as well. Very, very nice holiday nets, if they're holiday nets. And then look, you're right here onto the beach. And the water's crystal clear. There's fishes in the water just there. I think that's Califia Springs all the way around in the corner. And yeah, good grapevines there. But yeah, when you come to Faliraki, let me know where you stay. Write in the comments where you stay. I stayed with a friend this time, so no hotel review on this one. But we've got a comparison from the last one. What was we? Marmaris. So we did cheap as you can get. Not all inclusive though, but it was breakfast with it. You've got a restaurant here, a check restaurant. But yeah, we did cheap, and then we did expensive, which, you know, expensive for us. Maybe it's not expensive for you. But yeah, it was nice experiencing the luxury for once. It's nice to wake up and have the views. Nice to have the views. This is Mercy Fish Restaurant. We actually had some cocktails in there last year's, very nice cocktails. So, where can you get the boats for? To Siga Califia Spa, Lindos, loads of different places. Oh, my gimbal's playing up as well. And yeah, this is the lovely Merci restaurant. What we're going to do, we're going to go up here, end it. So that new accommodation being built. Can we keep going round, eh? Should we go round? Because I don't think there's much this way. But we can go this way. Should go and have a quick look, guys. Come on. Let me know if you come to where this ends. I think this is my first time actually walking down here. Open till 8. Greek salad, €6. All the fishing boats, look.
And du Schiffe fahren dürftest.
Never walked this far actually. It's the first time walking all the way around here, so exploring together as always. Oh, okay. Got a little bridge to go over. I mean, I don't really want to go over there. Do it for the vlog. I keep speaking down as I'm not project my voice very well. Don't know why. I think it's because I just woke up. But God knows, I'll speak up. Oh, we've got another beach round here. Let's have a look. And yellow submarine. Yellow submarine. Surprised no one's done a remix of that tune actually. We're living in the day and age of remixes. I don't think we came round to this beach. Well, I told you we didn't actually walk this way, so yeah, never been to this beach. But what we do, we'll take in the view. We're in the vlog. So let's have a little look. We'll go in between these lot. Be easier. The one thing I don't notice in these areas that you don't have the ice cream man. Like in England, we have ice cream man. I mean, they have a lot of ice cream parlours. I've never ever seen an ice cream van like we have in the UK. But yeah, check the view, guys. I'll let you take that in. About my voice. There, on the rocks, I've put the old Greek flag on the rocks. Greek flag in the middle of the water. Stones in my feet, in my shoes. But yeah. Guys, thanks for watching. It's Wagwan Tours. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the hype button. I'll catch you on the next one.